Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a very easy beef and broccoli stir fry. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need some thinly sliced flank steak. I went ahead and rinsed mine off with some lemon juice and water and then pat dry with some paper towel. Here I have some cornstarch mixed with water. I'm just going to pour it over the flanks and mix it all together until it's nicely combined, and then let it sit aside for about 2 to 3 minutes. So here I have some vegetable oil in a pan, and I'm just going to go ahead and cook the steak. I'm going to cook mine until it's well done. You can cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes if that's what you're into, but I like my meat well done, so I'm just going to cook this until it's well done for me. Once your flanks are cooked to your liking, remove it from the pan, and in the same pan, go ahead and add your onions and saute your onions for about 1 minute. Once that's done, go ahead and add your bell peppers, and I'm using red bell pepper. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some broccoli, and I'm going to allow this to cook for about 3 minutes, only because I like my vegetables with a bit of a crunch to it. But if that's not what you're into, go ahead and cook it for a bit longer. Now it's time to work on our sauce. So in this bowl I have soya sauce. I went ahead and added some beef broth, some ginger, garlic, as well as some brown sugar. And I'm just going to mix that together until it's nicely combined. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and add some cornstarch, which will help thicken the sauce. I'm just going to pour that into our vegetables and just mix this together for a bit. And then add the steak back into the pan. And we're going to mix this all together and cook it for about a minute or so until the sauce is nice and thick. And once it's done, it should look like this. Do keep in mind that you can find the full ingredients on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care. Bye.